Which robot vacuum is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Ropefacnic S1. The Ropefacnic robot vacuum cleaner caught my eye with its impressive 5200 PA suction power and the ability to mop simultaneously, all for just $89.99. If you want a budget-friendly option that tackles both vacuuming and mopping, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5200 PA suction means it can pick up pet hair and dirt effortlessly across hardwood and low-pile carpets. Plus, the adjustable mopping feature ensures your floors are spotless without any lingering footprints. With 10,000 units bought in the past month, it's clear people are ready to ditch their traditional vacuum. Now, some people complained about the robot getting stuck on certain obstacles. Here's the thing though. As long as you keep your floors relatively clear, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for a robot vacuum at this price point. This is perfect for you if you have a pet and want to keep your home clean without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced mapping features. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the Ropefacnic's obstacles issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Shark Matrix Clean. The Shark Matrix Clean AV2511AE. This robot vacuum is designed specifically for pet owners, boasting a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. It's a bit pricier, but the convenience is hard to ignore. The powerful suction captures everything from pet hair to dust across both carpets and hard floors, making your cleaning routine feel like a breeze. The LiDAR navigation helps it map your home accurately, ensuring no spot is missed. With over 10,000 units sold in just a month, it's clearly making waves in the market. Some users have mentioned that the size might be an issue for smaller homes. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger space or multiple pets, this vacuum is built for you and can handle those challenges. This is perfect for you if you want a hands-off cleaning experience and have pets. Skip this one if your home is on the smaller side and you're looking for something compact. For the investment, you're getting advanced technology paired with impressive performance. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious homeowners looking for great performance. Product number 3, Tycom G8000 Max. The Tycom Robot Vacuum and Mop combo is a fantastic pick at $108.99, especially if you want a balance of price and performance. Its 5,000 PA suction power and simultaneous mopping feature really caught my attention. This vacuum is designed to handle various floor types, effortlessly transitioning between hard floors and carpets. With a runtime of up to 150 minutes, it's ideal for larger homes. The anti-collision and anti-fall features are super helpful for keeping it from getting stuck. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear it's gaining popularity. However, some users reported it can struggle with larger debris. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly dealing with pet hair and dirt, this shouldn't pose a huge problem and can be easily managed with regular vacuuming. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable vacuum that can do both vacuuming and mopping without costing a fortune. Skip this one if you have a lot of large furniture that might cause navigation issues. It's a solid performer for what you pay. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact and user-friendly, let's look at the next product. Product number 4, LaFont M210. The LaFont M210 is another budget-friendly option at just $89.98. Its compact design ensures it can fit under most furniture, which I think is a major plus if you're dealing with tight spaces. With a runtime of 120 minutes and the ability to pick up pet hair effectively, it's designed for daily cleaning. The smart app control is a nice touch, allowing you to schedule cleanings from your phone. Plus, the unique brushless suction means no tangled hair, which genuinely surprised me. It's also popular, with over 3,000 sold recently. Some users did mention connectivity issues with the app. Here's the thing though, if you prefer using your vacuum in a straightforward manner without heavy tech reliance, it's still a great choice without needing all those smart features. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use vacuum that gets the job done without the fuss. Skip this one if you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest and greatest features. For the price, it's a fantastic little helper. Now, if you want something with high-end features and no compromises, let's check out the last product on this list. Product number 5,
Shark AV2501AE. We have the Shark AV2501AE, a premium choice at $269.99. This robot vacuum features advanced LiDAR navigation and a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris, making it incredibly convenient. The powerful suction and matrix clean navigation ensure thorough coverage, while its HEPA filtration captures allergens and dust. With 3,000 units sold last month, it's clear this vacuum is making a statement. If you want a cleaning solution that requires minimal effort on your part, this is worth a serious look. However, some users found it to be a bit bulky for small apartments. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger home or multiple floors, this vacuum excels in those environments and can handle the workload. This is perfect for you if you want a hands-free cleaning experience with advanced features. Skip this one if you live in a very compact space where a smaller model would suffice. For the investment, you're getting top-tier performance that's hard to beat.
So, there you have it. The ROP Vacnic S1 for budget-conscious buyers, the Shark Matrix Clean for pet owners, the Ticom G8000 Max for dual cleaning, the Lefant M210 for compact spaces, and the Shark AV2501AE for those who want high-end features. Each of these vacuums has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you when making your choice.